So today I'm unboxing my Birchbox. I am super excited. Look how cute the box is this month. Unlike a lot of my other boxes, I did not peek this month. I have no idea what I'm getting. Birchbox, if you don't know, is a beauty box, $10 a month. You get deluxe beauty size samples, about 5 to 6 every month. And Birchbox is my very first subscription box, so it holds a dear place in my heart. I love it. I think the box is super cute this month, but yeah, I was about to say that you can choose the option to pick like a curated box each month, or you can select certain samples. I did not do any of that this month, so this is all a surprise to me. So I'm super excited to unbox it. I just unboxed my BoxyCharm literally minutes ago, and I really liked it. I got this lip color. It's a Kat Von D in Lovesick, their liquid lip. So let me know what you think about it. I think it's pretty cute. It's like a mauve pink color. But anyways, so my Birchbox, this is what it looks like when you open it. There's a little card on top. It says, turn over a new leaf. And then it gives you some advice. I like how they do that. Every month there's like some nice little, you know, hacks or stuff that makes you feel motivated. This says money moves. As your social calendar builds up this fall, download Joy, a new money app that helps you find financial happiness. And then there's a beauty hack. It says, even as temps start to dip and the days get shorter, it's still important to wear SPF every day. True, I do that. Look at me. I'm very white. It's pretty obvious, but yes. Even if you don't get burnt easily, you should wear SPF. So I'm not gonna read all of them. But so that's what that looks like, super cute. And then on this side, it has all the information on the products and their full-size pricing. Did you guys hear the Birchbox is now gonna be in certain Walgreens? So I think, in December, it's coming to like big cities like Chicago, like Miami, all that stuff. So that'll be interesting. There'll be like a whole section in Walgreens where you could build your own box, which is what I think the most exciting thing is. And also try like anything they have there, sign up for Birchbox, like just try those more high-end brands and their exclusive brands. So I think that's super cool and super innovative. So anyways, this is what my box looks like on the inside. I see one thing, I love this brand. I'm actually wearing something from it in my hair right now. The Amica Vault Color Lock Leave-In Conditioner. Awesome. Right now I have the Way. I pronounced that brand so wrong in my last video where I received that. I think I said Hawaii or something. But that I'm about done with their leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. And this is another brand I think smells so good. If you have not tried anything by this brand, I highly suggest it. I love the smell and it works really great in your hair. So this is an exclusive. Full size is $25. It says maintain your hair's hue with this color protecting leave-in conditioning spray formulated with UV filters and antioxidants. Spritz through damp strands and style as desired. Awesome. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you guys, if you did not yet enter my giveaway, I will leave the link below, and of course the link to Birchbox if you want to check that out. But my giveaway link, it's my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's a big thank you to you all, so that'll be down below. Make sure you enter before the end of the month. Okay, moving on in the box. Malin and Goat's Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. So this is a pretty decent size, 15 ml, just to get a feel how it works. Usually you don't need too much moisturizer, so a little bit can go a long way. I know it takes a little bit of time to see if skincare works for you, so we'll see if this lasts. It should be ideally 4 weeks. You should give any skincare a shot, so I'm not sure if that'll last 4 weeks, but if you use a little bit, I mean, you can at least see if you like the consistency, whatever. Let's read more about it though. The full size is $50. Whoa. It's filled with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. This lightweight, oil-free moisturizer gently hydrates without clogging pores. Use in the morning alone or before makeup. Also, if you use it just once a day, which is typically how I use my moisturizers because I use different stuff at night, they can last 4 weeks. Awesome. All right, next thing I see, this is interesting. The & Co Acid Wash, the ACV Cleansing Rinse. So I think you use this like a shampoo, but you leave it in your hair for 1 to 3 minutes. Cute packaging. This is 30 ml. I've used like the dry shampoo from & Co and some other stuff too. Other, like maybe their shampoo and conditioner of some sort. The full size of this is $32. And it says detoxify your scalp with this pre-shampoo treatment. Okay, so you use it before shampoo, you still shampoo after. It's made with apple cider vinegar extract to bring down product buildup. Apply and massage, leave on for 1 to 3 minutes and rinse. Okay, I have tried something similar to this. It had apple cider vinegar in it, and it actually smelled like apple cider vinegar, and I didn't like love that scent. So it'd be something I would do like when I wasn't having anyone around me like close to my hair, like, you know. I wonder what this smells like. I'm gonna see if I can get a whiff. Because if it doesn't have that stink, that would be awesome. Oh, it smells good. Okay. This is way better. The other stuff was like just pure apple cider vinegar. So this has that in there, which is supposed to be really good for your scalp, but it also has other fragrance in it, so it doesn't stink. Awesome. All right, on to the fourth item. It's by Laura Geller, Lip Strip Smoothing Sugar Scrub. Well, I just got a different lip scrub. This one says to use, dispense a small amount from tube and gently massage over dry lips. Rinse with warm water. So this is a really good thing to get around the cold weather seasons. I don't know about you, but my lips definitely get more dry, and you can't wear liquid lips with those dry lips. You know how they're clumpy and stuff like that? Like, I would not have been able to wear this today, so I like getting stuff like this. Let's learn more about it. Full size, $16. That's more in my price range than the other items. It says buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, kissable lips with this scrub made with soothing peppermint oil. Massage a small amount over dry skin, then rinse with water. Awesome. So I might add either this one or my other lip scrub that I have not used yet in my giveaway. I'm trying to be a minimalist here, you guys. I have so much stuff. I give stuff away all the time. If you don't know, I give giveaways pretty much constantly. So just to keep my stash low, so I don't know. This is a good size though for a lip scrub. I know it's a sample, but a little bit goes a long way with lip scrubs if you haven't used one before. Right now, the last item is by Well People, the BioCorrect Multi-Action Concealer in Light. Oh, I actually just ran out of a little sample concealer like this from a Birchbox. It was so small like this, but like with spot conceal or just right under your eyes, you really don't need much. It lasted months. I was shocked. So the full size of this is $22.99. It says this creamy concealer uses organic algae, coffee, and anti-aging peptides to depuff, brighten, and smooth fine lines. Dab under your eyes or on top of trouble areas. So I am going to see what this looks like, the color in light. Hopefully it's the right color. So there's a safety seal, a little baby one, cute. I've used highlighters from this brand and something else. What have I used? Ooh. Let's see. So that's what it looks like before I really... Yeah, I think this color could work for me. You can't even see it. I just like... It like matches my skin pretty perfectly. So this might be better for like spot concealing, maybe some acne, which I unfortunately always have. Let's see. So I already told you about this. Yeah, it says under your eyes or trouble areas. So yeah, I think I'll try it under my eyes too, but it looks like it matches my skin really well, and sometimes I like to have a little bit lighter under my eyes, so I'll definitely try it on acne and both, but I think it'll probably work better on my trouble areas. So yeah, I'm happy with this box. What do you guys think? I think I'm most excited about that concealer, and I'm super excited to get that that cleansing rinse for the shower, because I've heard good things about that, how good it is for your hair, and this one doesn't smell bad like my other one did. So I'm super excited about that. I love the Amica scent. I'm super excited to have leave-in conditioner. I use that a lot. I use that more than I use actual conditioner because my hair is so flat. Sometimes it weighs it down, so I like leave-in. Hi guys, sorry my camera just shut off. I was just wrapping up the video. I just was pretty much saying that I'm happy with everything and why I was. I'm not sure when it cut off. But I am definitely happy with this box. I think it was worth the $10. I'm excited to try all the samples. Like I said, I may give one of them away. I'm not sure. Hint, hint, enter my giveaway, link below. But overall, yeah, I'm really happy. So thank you for watching. Link below if you want to sign up for Birchbox. I have 50% off links, so you pay only $5 for your first month. I should have probably mentioned that in the beginning, but at least I remember now. So anyways, I hope you are all having a wonderful weekend, and I'm sorry again that I stopped recording. I'm not sure when I stopped talking, but hopefully it wasn't too long ago. I guess I'll find out soon when I edit, but have a lovely weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.